back to another vlog. We are vlogging again. I think I mentioned yesterday, well, in yesterday's vlog, that I was going to take down all the Christmas decorations and like declutter my house. Didn't get to it, so we're doing that today. I have like the Christmas decoration box out, so I've just been putting stuff away all morning, and I just gotta wait until Jordan gets home. He is running an errand right now, but we have to take this tree down, and I need his help because he's always the one that like actually puts it up and takes it down. It's a fake tree, obviously, but I want to vacuum the bottom floor, even though it's fake. Like there's still just like little, I don't know, particles of tinsel and all garland and all that stuff on the ground. So I just want to clean up the place. It's way long overdue. The place is like relatively clean, but I just feel like there's just so much stuff everywhere, and I want to just get it out of the way because I'm really that person that like when my space is clean and organized, I am clean and organized. Yeah, we really needed to clean up the house, and that's what we're doing, so that's great. I feel like I need to get a couple things, just like household items, more toilet paper, paper towels. I did pick up some of those things yesterday when I went grocery shopping, but I just need a couple extra things like cleaning supplies. I think we're out of our all-purpose spray. I really want to get a shower cleaner because over Christmas break, I cleaned my entire shower. That took like 3 hours. It was disgusting. Like it didn't look disgusting, but I knew standing in there taking a shower, I was like, no, this just needs to be cleaned. So I did that, but I want to have a shower cleaner that I can clean like while I'm in the shower. You know what I mean? Just like upkeep, because I don't really think you need to do like a deep scrub every single time or every, you know, other week, but I'd like to just have something that I can just kind of like touch up like in between deep cleans in the shower. So I'm working today. It is Thursday. It's what, January 11th, and we're almost at the weekend, and I'm so GD excited. My God. I feel like it's been a really long week. This is the first like 5-day work week I've had in quite a long time, because December was just, you know, holidays, people were taking off, I was off a lot, and yeah, this was like the first full week of work for me. So it's been great. I just posted on my Instagram story about 75 Day Hard, and I tagged the creator. Her name is Mandy. I found her on TikTok, and she's just like wonderful. I'm pretty sure that Elle magazine picked up her, you know, segment on the 75 Hard Style Challenge. So I would check out her profile for like more inspiration, because I love her, and I feel like me and her have very different style, but just like her wisdom and knowledge about just styling clothes altogether and fashion as a whole is just like, she's just super insightful. So I would check out her page. I believe I'll tag her Instagram right here. Anyway, but I do need to get dressed because it's almost in the afternoon and I've yet to get dressed, but I really wanted to continue to wear this. If you watched my vlog yesterday, you saw the new Skim set that Jordan got me. I'm so obsessed with it. I was walking the dog this morning and I was like, dang, these sweatpants are just like, they just feel so comfy on my legs. And I don't know, I have to put them through the wash, but I really like these so far. And yeah, I'm excited. I love a new sweat set, like the lazy comfy girl that I am. Sister-in-law Sarah, soon to be sister-in-law, got me the Laneige like lip mask and then the little lip jelly. It's funny, I feel like she always gets me Laneige for like whether it's my birthday or Christmas, and when I opened it, she was like, yeah, we're just gonna continue on with this present. So this is always a great present to get, but I've never tried the little lip jelly before, and I feel like it's very similar to the jar, but just easier because you can kind of like throw this in your bag. Like not that you can't throw the jar in the bag, but the jar is kind of big, let's be honest, right? Applying chapstick, my lips like crazy. I'm not kidding, like within arm's distance, I have another one right here, Summer Fridays. I am obsessed with having chapstick all around my house. If I just have one and try to carry it with me, like it will end up in the wash, because that's happened multiple times. How I've worked it out in my house, I have a lip balm in my downstairs bathroom, in my upstairs bathroom, and my guest room / office. I have one on this, like my coffee table right here, and then on the kitchen island as well, and in my purse and in my car. Because I get extremely chapped lips. I actually took Accutane when I was in high school, and if anyone knows about Accutane or took Accutane in the past, then you know how intense it is and how the long-lasting effects are just that, long freaking lasting. Like I still have residual dry skin and like barrier issues because of Accutane, and one of the biggest side effects is that it makes your lips just completely peel off and chapped. And ever since I took it, my lips are just consistently chapped. And when it comes to winter, like, forget about it. I need to have chapstick on my lips all the time, or else they'll crack, like they'll crack at like the sides or whatever. It's gross. Sorry, but it's just the truth. I am just gonna kind of try to tidy up just a little bit more. Again, I gotta wait for him to come back and then we'll take that down. I'm gonna vacuum a little bit. I need to clean up the kitchen because it's a mess. So let me go do that and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Matcha filled strawberry donut, courtesy of Jordan. Dress, so I'm just wearing these Aritzia sweatpants that I got like 2 seasons ago. I love them. They're kind of like a swishy track. I mean, they are track pants, so they're like true track pant material. And then I paired it with this H&M sweater that I got maybe like in 2020. I don't know. I layered some gold necklaces that I have. This is my little Italian horn. You guys don't know, my mom makes jewelry. She actually made my engagement ring and she made this little gold pendant for me. I think she might have gifted me this gold necklace too, but anyway, pretty simple, but I wanted to be comfortable. I think I said that yesterday in the vlog that I wanted to be a little bit comfy, and I love these pants and I saw them when I was organizing my drawer right here, and yeah, I don't know. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna throw these on. I like these. These are sweatpants, but elevated sweatpants. So I feel like I'm kind of cheating, but this is really like a realistic outfit for me. I love this because I'm comfortable. It's like kind of baggy and oversized, but stylish at the same time, in my opinion. So I'm liking this today. So this is my outfit of the day. I think this is day 9. Tomorrow we will be in double digits, and it's Friday tomorrow. So I want to do a little bit something more fun. So anyway, I am going to get back to work. I have to finish cleaning because I just was vacuuming and I put away the tree and everything, but I need to clean up the kitchen. I just need to do a little bit more work right now. So I'm gonna do that. What did you just do? Stop. That's so weird. Oh, that's a clean kitchen. Stop it. That's a clean kitchen, right? And the living room is clean. Aside from Bible's toys.
I just pull it out, boom, bed made. What if we ditch the couch? You're gonna hate this idea. It's not even worth saying.
Hey Google, stop for a sec.
If we got rid of the couch and just got a few Big Joes up here. It would be so comfortable. You have to admit, we could cuddle on them.
Okay.
Especially if we got like a long
State your
Big
name
Joe.
and maybe Big Joe will sponsor you.
Big Joe's not sponsoring me, but I do. Big Joe, my name's Jordan and I love your products. I had one. Dogs love it. Humans love it.
We're not getting a Big Joe up here. You can... No.
Think it would be the most
that's a
comfortable
mess.
option. And also, Big Joes actually look good. If
No,
you
they
think
don't.
Look, it's not like a rec room kind of thing with the old school beanbag. Big Joe, hashtag not an ad,
No.
is legit.
No. After a while, they just
I was
look like...
thinking about it today, maybe in the office at some point, a Big Joe.
Yes. Or in the basement.
Both fit on a Big Joe.
I have not shown the vlog our basement because it's so man cavey. Like there's pumpkins down there. Jordan wants to keep a mini Christmas tree down there. So it's just like 4 seasons in one basement. It's like there's sports memorabilia hanging
Everyone
out.
who comes that goes down there is like, I'm so jealous. I wish I had this. That's not a joke. You heard Mackie. He couldn't stop raving about it.
Yeah, because it's a man cave. But
Whatever
this is
you
my
call it.
oasis. This is my...
Chris fell asleep
Obviously.
down there when we watched a movie the one time. So
Yeah, I mean, it's comfortable. It's comfy, right?
$5
comfortable.
comfy.
Kind of missing the Christmas tree. I need a new plant. We need a new plant because that one is just not big enough. And my sister actually got me this like planter. It's from West Elm and it like came with like a real plant and everything. And what was the plant?
It was a palm.
It was a palm. Yeah, it died. Safe to say it died. It is dead. Right, 5? But this was the original place where I wanted to put his bed. And I think we got the bed like right after we put up the Christmas tree. So I never got to place it anywhere or here. And I like it. Except we do need like a way bigger plant because this plant looks jank with just like the space. You know what I mean? Do you want to go get dinner? No, you already had dinner. Actually, you need to go for a walk. And then me and your dad are going to go get a bite to eat.
It's true, 5
You can't come. You cannot come. So sorry. Oh, also, shout out to RT Planto. This is where I got this rug, or that's the place where I got this rug. But you can see that the rug, like, look how faded it is, like, from here to there. So I bought this back in August. I bought this back in August, and obviously it should not be faded this much. Like, there's some places, like right here, the pattern is completely gone. And this is a washable rug too. And like, God forbid I ever washed it. I mean, what would happen? It would probably all fade off. So I messaged them via email, and they got back to me within the same day. And I sent them a picture of the rug, like before and after, pretty much. Literally without any questions asked, they sent me a new rug. They sent me a brand new rug. Like, what great customer service. So they said that the supplier is different this time around. So hopefully the next rug will be a little bit more long lasting. Cause like, look at that. That is so bad. But I still do like love the rug. Even if it's faded, like I still like it, but I don't know. So we'll see. They've yet to send me tracking number for it, but. Okay, I'm gonna end off here. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. I just feel like, say bye, 5. Angel.